Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can make your contacts backup. So simply in order to do this, just you have to go to your contacts, and after that when you open your contacts, simply you will find on the top right sides button, simply click here, or even what kind of setting available in your cell phone, simply you have to go to settings. So when you go to setting, you will find the option import or export contacts. So simply click here. Now here what you need to do, you have to export contacts. So simply click on export to storage device. So now here you can select contacts like what kind of contacts you want to make backup, like in phone, WhatsApp, Google. So simply just I'm clicking on all contacts. Now here you can see the contacts with dates. So simply just click on export, and now here you can see click on save button, and now here contact have been exported. So simply just go to send. So here you can also send contacts to Gmail, WhatsApp, or you can upload contacts in Drive. So in this way you can easily make backup of your contacts.